This is the setup for verification of Bernoulli's law. So that by using this equipment, we are going to verify the Bernoulli's equation. So before going with the actual experimentation part, we'll first study means which are the experimental setup they are provided. So first, this is some tank in which water is stored. Okay, and again using this pump, this water is transferred to tank number one. We can say this is the input tank to the test kit of Bernoulli's equation, and again from this whichever the fluid is going to flow, then it is collected in tank number 2. So again there is one tank number 2, and it is that from tank number 2 this water is collected in the measuring tank which is having dimension of 30 by 40 centimeter, and they are provided the scale to measure the level in the measuring tank, so that by measuring that particular level we can able to find out the actual flow rate. Now again the outlet which is for the this measuring tank is connected to some tank, so it is again the recirculation type of the equipment. Okay, so if you just observe, they are provided one bypass wall, so by using this one we can just study the effect of different flow rate. By using this bypass wall we can study at different flow rate, like if we are getting some certain different velocity we can study, or we can verify the Bernoulli's equation. Now coming back to the test kit, that is Bernoulli's test kit, what they are provided, that whichever the incoming pipe is there, that diameter is reduced up to cross section, section number 5, and again from section number 5 it is regain its original size. Okay, so you can observe by looking at this particular test kit, then section 1 and section 9 having the same cross sectional area, section 2 and section 8 having the same cross sectional area, section 3 and section 7 having the same cross sectional area, and section 4 and section 6 having the same cross sectional area, while fifth one is the having the minimum cross sectional area. Okay, now means that one of the what we call while dealing with this Bernoulli verification of Bernoulli's equation, we need to just go ahead with the assumptions which they are provided, that that fluid should whichever fluid we should use the ideal fluid, whichever that incompressible fluid. So that's why we have selected water for studying purpose, and to means to study the effect, means to check with the level, we have the walls at uh, at the bottom for the both the tanks. You can just observe this is for the tank 1 and there is for tank number 2. Now for each section they are provided the manometric tapings, along with they are provided the scale, and the scale is in millimeter. So by using this scale we can measure the pressure head at each cross section head. Now will next part we'll see how it works. It means how we are going to record and how we are going to verify that particular Bernoulli's equation. Okay, uh, we just started with the experiment. So we just already switch on just last 15-20 minutes of observing this one, because to just noting this reading, this equipment should come for the study under study state. So we are just first switch on this equipment, and then as the experimental construction, the water is going to flow through this. We are just adjusted the flow rate by using this bypass wall, and we are just close this wall, outlet tank of tank 1 also, outlet wall of tank 2 also. We have closed that one, and this fluid is flowing through the test kit of that 9 sections. Okay. Now the last 15 minutes, this reading, which are the for section 1, it is near about 140, in between 135 to 140. For this section 2, it is near about 130. For section 3, again it is near about 135. Section 4, it is near about 125. Section 5, it is near about 120. Again section 6 is near about 115. Section 7, it is near about 125. Section 8 is near about something 125, and 9 is near about 130. So this reading is almost steady, which is not changing from the last 10 minutes. So we are just observing this one. Now we can say that the system is under steady state. Now we can just measure this value. Means we can just record it in our observation table means across all these sections. Just we need to notate it, and after that one, after noting the reading, we can just close this one. So already we close this one, and we can just measure the how much amount of time is required to fill 10 mm of that particular height, so that we can able to calculate the volume, and we can able to calculate from volumetric flow rate. So that is one set of reading. Now similar process we need to go ahead with dealing with for second flow rate. For that we need to again change the volumetric flow rate. So again just some just dealing with this particular bypass wall. Now you can observe that the level may go on increasing in this tank also and that tank also. Now this I just increase the flow rate. So this level you can observe increase also in this tank also, the level is increasing, and this value also is going to rise. So again we need to wait for 10-15 minutes. So after reaching to the steady state, we can again measure the values.